welcome back to another video, guys. Remember to hit the subscribe button because we're almost at 500k subscribers. Thank you everybody who has subscribed. Also make sure to drop a comment. It doesn't matter if you like the video, if you watch the video, drop a thumbs up emoji. That's all I ask for, guys. Enjoy the video, and remember we are doing a giveaway on some badass trucks. The winner will pick the trucks, either the blue one or the white one, plus 5,000 cash. And if you don't want a truck, you could take 30,000 home. Don't miss out. Merch is available in the store, or you could also shop online. The link is on the first comment, guys. Enjoy the video. This is YouTubing on a budget off-road with the Proctor team.
I need something to hold on to.
Oh yeah. Nah, we're gonna take it easy.
Yeah, okay.
Better grab on.
Porque estaba bien caliente. No mames.
La verga. Se vino por acá la pinche agua. Yo la sentí.
Es el monster de este,
Bien
güey.
caliente, bien caliente.
Es el monster de G-Ketchup.
No, cierto, fue Daniel que te vio.
No!
Ese es un pendejo de Daniel, güey.
Está bien fría, güey. No mames, güey, está bien caliente, güey. Está bien fría, güey. No mames, bien
Bien apestosa.
Dang, seatbelt need to be tighter.
Párame. Párame. ¡Ya me lo chocaba este güey! ¡Ah, pinche muñeco! No mames.
How y'all find about the
Sí, I told you I should have stayed.
Yeah, you should have. Baby, I should have stayed with you.
Fucking knew it.
I should have stayed with you, JR.
I told you. I knew it. Mira, güey, mira.
Verga, my excursion.
Screen.
Y'all didn't see how close he was to that tree, hit that damn tree. No, you don't go that way. Go straight. Go to the back.
No mames, mira, de acá está como de caída, güey.
Oh, that's a big ass dip, bro.
Ay, güey.
No.
No mames, güey. A la
Se le cayó.
Por una botella nueva.
Se le cayó.
Ey, es que esto va como toro loco.
Mira cómo está todo remojado los huevitos. Oh, mames. Oh, shit. Toda esa agua, güey.
I should have stayed with JR.
Mira, se vio.
I should have stayed with JR.
Sí, olía feo. Me cayó en la boca la verga.
Oh, shit.
Now, why you going back?
Es una pinche troca. Sí, güey.
Take me back! Take me back! I had enough fun for you. We can go back now.
Acá me escupiste, güey.
Un gargojote encima del vale.
My back! My back!
I ain't coming back over here, bro.
No, me está quedando la verga. Por eso yo estoy igual, güey.
Hell no, I'm done.
What happened?
I'm ready to go back, bro. Like this shit.
Nobody's calling. Nobody's calling.
Shit, I don't care who calls it. Bro, you got me guilty. Bro, you said we wasn't gonna be dirty, dog.
Who why would you bring a cup with water?
JR, this is all your fault.
Man, I knew it. I knew it. That's why I wanted to stay over there.
Oh
Got you. That water smell like fucking shit.
no! First, I don't look safe to me.
Hey, wait, pero mira, look at the heat. It's fucking perfect.
Yeah, temperature is good.
This is worse than extreme.
This is an off-road machine.
Pinche asiento, yo no lo soltaba ni mal.
El aceite y todo está con madre, verga. Pinche troca, güey.
Buenísima, liga la chingada.
Oh,
Valió verga.
My excursion.
it's time to take it to the car. We're all running with
Hey, wait! Mételo en el car wash open.
That's what I'm saying. Leave the windows
Dale,
down.
dale.
Mame, no.
Yeah!
Hey, you're gonna have
Come
to.
on. I thought you want to leave.
Fuck that. Let's go. I just car washing my side by side.
Roll in with the windows up y los
Yeah.
carros adentro. Otherwise te van a decir que no.
Okay.
I'm hungry.
Está convirtiendo en Montana.
No van a dejar entrar ahí, güey.
¿Cómo no?
Just get in there.
Mira, esa pinche troca está alta.
Yeah.
Oh, it's under 8, bro. It's 75.
No. Siéntalo. Siéntelo, verga. Hey, we're all dirty anyway. A puro verga.
Everybody put your teeth outside so they can wash you.
Oh, here we go. Okay, here we go.
Saca la frente, George.
He keeping his head on the window, bro. Damn, it's too wet. Oh, it's in my head. Oh, it's in my head. That shit don't taste good. Hey, hold on. You got something in your eye? Hey, you making a shot at my head? God damn.
Hey, clean it.
Hey, where did this come from? I don't know. Is it still running? Damn, this thing is still running.
Oh my God, it's extra clean now.
Hey, the air felt the best.
Damn it, boy, guys, you know exactly where to bring it. You know exactly where to bring it whenever you take it off road.
Hold on, we missed the spot. We missed
We
the
clean the outside and the inside at the same time.
Está picando los ojos, güey.
No, primero, tres pinches chingados con eso en los ojos.
Hey, hasta corre mejor, mira. Es que ya está.
Hey, did you keep that dry? The controllers?
Yeah. Guys, so we came to get cleaned off at Muñeño's house. Everybody jumped in the pool, left all the dirt in the pool, and now we're going
Round 2. I'm just playing.
they're gonna kick Oscar out of there.
Turbo. Hey, boy, man, it must be nice to go put some more Yeezys on.
Hey, the lady came and that was she was looking for you.
Yeah.
She doesn't know where I live.
We told her.
Güey, andas bien bañado, güey. Hasta acá hueles a champú. Sí, este güey se bañó, güey.
¿Tiene Medicaid usted? Ahí está.
Oh, está fresquecito.
Mira la chichi.
Ey, calmado.
Hey, it's mine.
Ay, ketchup.
Ahora sí, ketchup, aquí te atascas.
Damn, huele bien con madre, güey.
Pero todo mojado. Sweetie.
Let me get Coke.
No sé, pero me gusta.